Hello everyone, I am Raf, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the size and hardness of your paintbrush or pencil tools on Affinity 3 using macOS version like I'm using right now. And if you moved from Photoshop to Affinity, probably you're struggling with these basic options that we use on our daily life to like do quick work and action. So basically to increase and decrease the paint size or the paintbrush size and pencils, all you have to do is just on your keyboard finding the keys Control and Option. In some keyboards like the MacBook Airs, it's gonna be Alt and also we have to use our mouse or trackpad. In this case, I'm using a mouse, and all I have to do is just hit or click the left button. So I'm gonna go here on this image that I have, and basically I have this brush tool selected, and I'm gonna just click Control plus Option, okay, like this, and you will see that there is this new option that appears on the screen. So basically, to increase size or decrease, I just have to move or drag to left and right. So I'm gonna go here, click Control plus Option. Okay, I'm gonna hit those two keys and then click on the left button of my mouse. And if I go to the left, it's going to decrease. Okay. If I click again, I'm going to the right, it's gonna increase, okay, like this. So that's really easy, okay? So let's go with the hardness. The hardness is the same thing, using the same keys like Control and Option. And in this case, I'm gonna click and go up or down to play with the hardness, okay? So I'm gonna just press Control and Option, and I'm gonna click one time the left button, and I'm gonna go down. As you can see, it becomes more sharper, okay, like this. It's gonna be sharp, like this. And if I go up, it's gonna be softer, like this, okay? That way you play with hardness, okay? There's also another option that you can do in this case. This is like a bonus that I'm giving you right now. And if I wanna change the angle and rotation of this, this brush, all I have to do is just the same kind of like options. Press Control plus Option, and as you can see here, it's gonna be like this, but click one more time the left button of your mouse or trackpad, like this, and you will see that it changed to shape, okay? If you click one time and you move, you will see it like this, okay? If you move to the left or right, it will change the shape and make it this way, okay? If you go up and down, it will look like this way, okay? So if I click one more time like this, it will change to rotation. So if I do a circle move, it's gonna look like this, okay? So in this case, you can change to apply different effects in your image using the brushes on your favor, like in this way. So this is it. It's really easy. If you wanna like revert this back, just click Control and Option again and go back to 0 like this, and click one more time and go here to 100, and here go to 1. Okay, it will look like this basically. Okay, if you again press Control plus Option and click one more time like this, it's gonna look the same way like this. So if you want to see the option for Windows on Affinity 3, let me know in the comments and I will get you that video as soon as possible. And subscribe for more videos like this, and see you on another one. Thank you.